Are you scrolling through the YouTube videos today looking for anything remotely interesting? Then you are in luck, my friend. Join me on a little stroll along a new passageway at the rear of La Défense, Paris. This passageway is designed to allow easy access from La Défense to Puteaux town center. These two parts of Paris are situated in the northwest of the capital. There is a section of garden in a prairie or meadow style and plenty of seats in the form of banks along the passageway. The French called these passageways passerelles and typically are bridges for pedestrians, not motorized traffic. I have used this passageway several times over the past few weeks and have yet to see another person do so. Seems the public relations man or woman didn't send out the memo to the residents. As we walk along this new passageway, you can get a glimpse of the traffic below coming and going from Nanterre. The tall building in the top right of the screen is called Défense 2000 and is a local landmark. So, are you enjoying our little stroll together? If you are, why not subscribe to my channel where I will be posting more content of pointless things, and also visit my website at www.clickandcollect.co.uk, where I sell online apparel. Thanks, and don't forget to wave to the people down below.